Hi.
Hi.
A very good afternoon to everyone. I am here to my parents' house to say we receive a blessing again today. And it's the second time our viewer who is sending. Do you remember at Reggie and Donna? Reggie and Donna who sent you first time money. So they are the one who sent second time from Ontario, Canada. So they give 181 Canadian dollar, and in Indian rupees, if you calculate, it is 10,070 rupees. And she asked us to divide in 4 families. So see who are the lucky family. Mom, are you ready? So as I want to show you the message, guys. Here you can see here we sent 10,017 Indian rupees. As I said, my earlier email 5,000 rupees to other family and 5,000 rupees to be shared to your parents, Kartik family, and you. It means Bimbo. So 3 family already declared. So mom. So mom, let's see how much you are going to receive. This is, guys, 1,000. No. And this is 2,000. This is for you and dad. Yes. And they are anywhere, they are same family.
Yeah, they live together.
They live together, only one son. So whatever money mom get, Kartik, and they are managing. But they asked me to distribute. So for Kartik family, 1,500.
Thank you.
So mom, you want to say message to Reggie and Donna?
Again?
Yes, you say, I will translate.
રોજી એન્ડ ડોના થેન્ક યુ. આવા સમયમાં મહામારી કોરોના ચાલી રહી છે, તેમાં તમે અમને આ પૈસા આપ્યા છે. એ ગોળને હું ઉપયોગ કરીશ અને મારા ઘરના માટે જ વાપરીશ. મારો એક દીકરો અને એની પત્ની છે, એમના માટે હું વાપરીશ. થેન્ક યુ. તમે આવા સમયમાં મને મદદ કરો છો, ત્યારે માટે હું ખૂબ જ તમારો આભાર માનું છું. થેન્ક યુ.
She tried to say, in this corona, when people is struggling with everything and you people are sending blessing to us, so that is great. And this money I will make sure we use in our family. I have only one son and daughter, so I'm going to spend behind my family only. Thank you. God bless to your family and be safe. How about Srima?
Thank you again, your gift, Reggie and Donna. Thank you so much. God bless you and keep safe. Thank you.
How about Shania? Shania, what you
you
get to
okay?
Ate Reggie and Donna?
I don't know what to do. Thank you, Ate Reggie and Donna.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you. So thank you, guys. Thank you, Reggie and Donna. Please keep us in prayer. Thank you once again. Bye. Hello, guys. As we still at Gita's house, we receive another blessing.
Yeah, we take opportunity.
We take
yeah.
opportunity while we are at Gita's house, so better we give. This is from Ate
Donna.
This is again from Reggie and Donna.
Yeah.
So guys, this she sent 5,000.
5,000 for
5,000 rupees
wedding of Gita's
for
daughter.
Sunita's wedding.
Sunita's wedding.
So utang mong hinapin.
So Gita, because Filipino are watching our videos and they saw that your daughter needs money for her wedding.
Video જોયો એનું લગન છે એટલા માટે મદદ મોકલી છે.
પણ એ તો મારે ઈમેલ કરવું તો પડશે.
So Ate Donna and Reggie sent 5,000 rupees for your daughter's wedding. Okay?
બરાબર?
મારે નાખીને તો લઈ આવું.
ઓકે ઓકે.
એની પાસે જો આ છે કામ કાઈ હું તો લઈ જાઉં.
હા હા.
આ કેવું છે?
Okay. So 1, 2, 2,
2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Okay.
Thank you to Donna and Daisy. ચાલ તારે કઈ કહેવું છે લગન માટે મદદ મોકલી.
Gujarati, Gujarati, Gujarati.
મદદ કરજો અમારી.
So mom, again I have surprise for our family, Seema. We have one more surprise and we receive another blessing from Ate Razel and Roel
Baltasar.
Baltasan.
Tasar, Baltasar.
Yeah, from Seattle, Washington this time. And this time they sent 104 US dollar, and it convert to 7,077 Indian rupees. So let's see. Here I'm handing over this money to Seema, Kartik and Kion. This time the sender want this money only to Kartik family. It means this money for Seema, Kartik and Kion. So this money I'm handing over 7,077 rupees. 1,000 Seema. Seema.
Thank you.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 and 100 rupees. So guys, this time I want to specially thank you to all Filipino. Actually I couldn't believe, like not one time, not two time, many time Filipino people are helping my family. I'm very very happy, and not just to, it not limited to just us, it goes to my family as well. So it is from all around the world they are sending the money, all Filipino. So it is like very happy things, and I'm very very thank you to all Filipino people, all our viewers, to remembering my family.
થેન્ક યુ રેજલ એન્ડ રોયલ. મારા દીકરાને જે આ પૈસા આપ્યા છે તેની માટે હું તમારો પુષ્કળ આભાર માનું છું, અને ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ. હું તો તમને મારી પ્રાર્થનામાં ધરીશ. થેન્ક યુ.
Mom tried to say thank you Razel and Roel for sending money to my son. As a mother I am thanking you behalf of my son, and I will keep you in prayer. Please keep safe. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much Rizal and Royal. Your gift માટે હું તમારી ઘણી આભારી છું. થેન્ક યુ. અને આ તમારી ગિફ્ટથી હું મારા સન કિયોનને એડમિશન લઈશ, અને હું તે દિલથી તમારો આભાર માનું છું તમારી હેલ્પ માટે, મારી ફેમિલી માટે. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. ગોડ બ્લેસ. થેન્ક યુ.
Seema said thank you very much from bottom of my heart. I'm thanking to you. I will use this money for Kion admission because he will start the school. So she will deposit this money and she will get the admission, and she will be happy. This money she can use for Kion education. A very thank you to remembering my family, and I will keep you in prayer. So thank you very much. So thank you guys. Thank you very much for supporting us, all Filipino, all our viewers. Request to you, please subscribe to Bimbo Corneo Vlog. Please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Insta page. Leave your comments, lovely comments, so we can read. Thank you to all our donors.
Ninay!
Please subscribe.